Hey, are you fed up with spending hours writing scripts, setting up cameras, and editing videos? What if I told you there's a way to make professional looking videos without even being on camera or without even touching an editing tool? Let me introduce you to KiwiX. KiwiX is an AI powered platform that's a game changer for content creators like us. Whether you are a busy entrepreneur, side hustler with tight deadlines, just someone who doesn't want to be on camera, this tool is about to become your go-to tool. Best of all, new users get up to 10 minutes of free video credits, no need of credit cards. It's 100% web-based, so no downloads or install, just open your browser and you are good to go. By the end of this video, you will know how to create awesome AI avatar videos, and I'll show you how to do that step by step. So let's dive in. So what's KiwiX? It's like having your own video production studio but powered by AI. Here are the top 5 reasons it's awesome. No script writing needed. Just give KiwiX a topic and it whips up a full script for you. AI voiceovers in tons of languages. You can make videos in over 70 languages and 175 plus dialects even if you don't speak them. You can pick from 50 plus avatars. No need to write about your hair or lighting. Just pick the avatar you like and you are good to go. Translate content easily. You can reach a global audience with translations in 20 plus languages and make videos in minutes. No editing skills, no fancy gear required. You can do it all in this tool. This is not just an AI tool. This is for people who want to create professional looking high quality videos without the video making headaches. So now let's get started. Head over to kiwix.com and link is in the description down below, and as I told you, you get 10 free minutes to start plus 25 extra minutes if you invite a friend. That's 35 minutes total, enough to make several videos and test the platform. The free version lets you export in 1080 HD with no watermarks, just like paid users. Pretty sweet, right? So now let's see how to make a video in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Create your script. Click create new video and choose generate from topic. Type in your topic like, let's say, 5 productivity tips for remote workers. And now you can see here, pick an avatar from the options. You can change it later and choose a language and voice actor. You can filter by gender, age, style, use case or language to find perfect voice. You can even select a template that fits your topic if you want. You can add your video goal, describe the speaker like yourself, and pick your target audience. And now you can hit create outline, and in second you will get a clear, natural script online. Moving on to the step number 2, build your scene outline. If you don't like the first script, tweak it, regenerate it, you are in control. Once you are happy, click generate scene based outline. You can customize it further if needed, and when everything is good, click continue in editor. Step number 3, preview and edit. You'll see the video editor with a preview of your video. The script you can see on the left has pro intro, main points, and a strong ending like something a pro writer would make. Do you want to tweak it, edit manually, or use AI writer to polish it or rewrite it? You can change the avatar here, and also you can change the voice settings, speed, pitch, volume, or translate the script into 20 plus languages. You can also pick a new avatar from 50 plus options in the avatar tab. You can change the background in the background tab. You can add media like images or videos in the media tab or upload your own. Also, you can choose background music from the music tab. Do you have PowerPoint or PDF? You can upload it to include in your video. Now the last step, step number 4, export your video, and it's that easy. Hit generate to create your video. Free users get 1080 HD, perfect for any platform, and rendering takes a few minutes depending on the video length, and you will get a notification when it's done. You can download your video as an MP4 and you are ready for publish it into any platform. And here's the sample.
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 5 productivity tips for remote workers. Let's boost your remote work game. I'll share actionable tips to help you stay focused and efficient.
You can make high quality videos just like that in minutes. Now you want to translate it? Use the translate tool to pick your target language and let the AI do its thing. Once it's translated, edit it if needed, or you can hit generate again. And your videos are saved in your KiwiX account, so you can download or tweak them anytime. So now let's talk about the pricing. You can start with free 10 minutes, and if you refer this tool to a friend, you will get additional 25 minutes and total of 35 minutes and plenty to play around with. Most similar tools cost around like $30+ per month, but Kivix only $8 per month. That's a steal compared to hiring a video editor, scriptwriter, and a voice actor. The paid plan gives you unlimited usage, premium avatars and voices, and faster rendering. So that's it. Now you know how to create AI avatar videos using KiwiX, and this platform makes video content creation super easy, and you don't have to worry about setting up cameras, doing all your makeups and getting ready and things like that. Just using these AI avatars, you can create professional looking videos. So if you think this video is helpful and if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.